Imagine having a full WhatsApp marketing system, one that connects your number, sends bulk messages safely, replies to customers automatically, and even finds new leads for you, all without touching your phone every 5 minutes. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll go step by step, from the very first connection all the way to tracking your results. Let's get started. Everything begins in accounts. Click Add Account, then Show QR. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Linked Devices, link a device, and scan the QR code shown on your screen. Quick tip, this code expires within a minute, so scan it right away. If it times out, just click Regenerate for a fresh one. Once scanned, the status changes to Connected, and you'll see your number listed with a green badge. Now, this next setting is the most important one in the entire app: Delay per account. This controls the gap between every single message sent from this number. Set it between 50 and 80 seconds. I know that feels slow compared to other tools, but this is exactly what keeps your number safe from bans and throttling. Never rush this setting, no matter how tempting it is to send faster. Once connected, open the Messages tab. It functions just like WhatsApp Web, right inside the app. Every conversation streams in live as people reply. Use the filter tabs at the top: Unread, Awaiting Reply, Business, or your own custom tags, to stay organized as your conversations grow. This becomes especially useful once your first campaign goes out and replies start pouring in. Next, head to Contacts. This is your central database of saved numbers. You'll see each contact's name, phone number, and any tags assigned to them. Use the search bar to quickly find someone, or filter using Filter by Tag at the top. You can also switch between List View and Kanban View. Kanban is particularly useful if you're tracking contacts through different stages, like new lead, contacted, and converted, almost like a mini CRM built right into the app. If you find yourself typing the same responses again and again, set up a quick reply. Click into the Quick Replies tab, give your reply a title, something like Greeting or Pricing, and under Sequence, choose Text as your step type, then type your full message. You can also set a wait time in seconds after this step if you're planning to send multiple parts. For example, a text followed by an image, followed by another message, a few seconds later. Once you're happy with it, click Add Quick Reply. This alone can save you hours over a busy week. Now let's get to the core feature: Campaigns. Click Campaigns, then New Campaign. First, give your campaign a clear name, so you can identify it later in your history. Under Recipients, you've got a few options: CSV upload, paste numbers directly, or select from your saved contacts. Let's say you go with CSV, click Choose CSV, select your file, and it'll instantly display how many valid numbers were detected. Now write your message in the message box. You can choose between text and media, poll, location, or a contact card depending on what you're sending. Click Insert Variable to personalize each message with the recipient's name automatically. This small touch makes a big difference in how your messages are received. You can also click Insert Spin Tags to randomize your wording slightly across different sends, which helps your messages avoid looking identical and reduces spam flags. If you need to attach something, click Attach File. You can add up to 5 attachments including images, videos, audio, or documents. Now look carefully at the right panel, because this next part is critical: Send Pacing. Make sure use each account's delay is checked, so your campaign respects that 50 to 80 second gap we set earlier in accounts. Also keep warm-up ramp turned on. This slows down your very first sends even further, up to double the normal delay, before gradually easing into your regular pace. It's specifically built to protect newer or cold numbers from getting flagged early on. Below that, set your batch size, something like 15 to 20 recipients per batch, with a batch pause of at least 60 seconds between each batch. When you combine this batching with your per message delay, your entire sending pattern starts to look natural and human rather than an obvious automated blast. Once everything looks good, select which connected account to send from and click Start Campaign. Or hit Schedule if you'd prefer to send it at a specific time, like early evening when people typically check their phones more. Once your campaign is live, replies will start coming in. And you don't want to manually respond to every single one. This is where Auto Reply Key Marker comes in. First, set your chatbot reply pacing, a minimum and maximum delay, like 0.8 to 2.2 seconds, so your automated replies feel natural rather than instant and robotic. Then click New Rule. Set a trigger keyword. For example, if someone types price, your bot could automatically reply with your pricing details. Write your response message and hit Save. You can build out as many rules as you need, covering FAQs, greetings, or common customer questions, so your business keeps responding even while you're asleep or busy elsewhere. Now let's grow your contact list from scratch. Head over to Tools, then click the Scrapers tab and select Google Maps. In the Searches box, type in what you're looking for. For this example, let's search Dentist in Mumbai. One search per line, set your max results, and optionally check also fetch email from each website if you want to grab contact emails alongside phone numbers. Click Start Scrape, and WA Sender opens a hidden browser in the background, searches Google Maps, and collects the business name, phone number, address, website, and category for each result. Within minutes, you've got a fresh targeted list of leads ready to import into your next campaign. One quick note, scraping third-party sites may go against their terms of service, so make sure you're using this feature responsibly. If you're working with a brand new WhatsApp number, don't jump straight into bulk sending. It's one of the fastest ways to get banned. Instead, use the account warmer first. Go to Tools Warmer, select at least 2 connected accounts, set your min and max interval, choose a duration in minutes, and add a few casual message templates. Things like, "Hey, how are you?" or "Still on for later," one per line. Click Start, and it sends messages between your own accounts on a randomized schedule. This builds a natural activity history for your number over a few days before you start pushing real campaign volume through it. After any campaign runs, head to the History tab. Every message you've sent will appear here along with its delivery status. Sent, delivered, or failed, giving you a clear picture of what worked and who you might need to follow up with manually. Finally, let's personalize the app itself. Open Settings, under Appearance, choose your theme, language, and display size. Under Window and System, decide what happens when you close the app, and turn on Start with Windows if you'd like it launching automatically every time you boot up. Turn on Auto Login so your accounts reconnect automatically each time you open the app, without needing to rescan QR codes. And if you want the app to feel like your own branded product, use brand customization to change the software name, primary color, icon, and full logo. Before making any major changes, click Export Settings to back up everything. Your quick replies, tags, and bot rules. And if you ever need to restore that setup, Import Settings brings it all right back. And that's your complete WhatsApp marketing system. Connect safely, send smart with proper delays, automate your replies, keep finding new leads, and track every result along the way. The key to making this work long-term is patience with your sending pace. It's slower, but it's what keeps your numbers alive. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.